Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to move object and image in Canva. Have you ever found yourself frustrated when trying to adjust the position of an object within a photo or design? Maybe you wanted to shift a person slightly to the right or left, or perhaps there's an item that needs moving to achieve that perfect balance in your design. Well, today, we're here to solve that problem for you with Canva's incredible features. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the skills to use Canva's Magic Grab tool, which will allow you to move objects around within your images quickly and effortlessly. This feature is not only a time saver, but also a frustration eliminator for anyone working with images and designs. Let's get started. The first step is to head over to Canva. If you're already logged in, that's fantastic. If not, you can easily sign in with your existing account or create a new one for free. Canva's interface is quite user-friendly, so even if you haven't had much experience with it before, you'll find it easy to navigate. Once you're on the home page, take a look at the top, and you'll notice a prominent purple button labeled Create a Design. Go ahead and click on that. For this tutorial, we'll be choosing a custom size for our design. This approach is beneficial because sometimes you need a specific workspace that perfectly fits your project, rather than browsing through numerous default templates. So let's select Custom Size, and for simplicity, we'll set it to 100 by 100 pixels. Although this is a small space, it helps keep things straightforward for our demonstration. However, feel free to choose a larger canvas size if that suits your project better. Once you've entered the dimensions, click to create a new design. Canva will immediately provide you with a fresh blank canvas to start your creative process. Now let's move on to the enjoyable part, adding your image. You can choose any photo you wish to work with, perhaps one from your personal uploads or an image from Canva's extensive library. Simply drag the image onto your canvas. If you're using your own photo, click on Uploads in the sidebar, upload your image, and drop it onto the workspace. Once the image is on the canvas, it's essential to adjust its size and placement to give yourself some room to work. Select the image by clicking on it, and you'll notice a blue outline around it, indicating that it's ready for editing. Here comes the exciting part. With the image selected, look for the Edit button situated near the top of the screen. Clicking this will unveil a variety of editing options, but the one we're focusing on today is called Magic Grab. If you haven't yet discovered Magic Grab, prepare to be amazed. This tool can identify objects within your photo, such as people, pets, buildings, and candid, or products, and enables you to move them independently from the background. Imagine being able to pick up a sticker and placing it wherever you want on the canvas. So, go ahead and select Magic Grab. Canva will take a moment to analyze your image. Sometimes this might take a few seconds, especially if the image is highly detailed or your internet connection is slower. Once the analysis is complete, you'll see that the main object in your photo has been separated out. Now, it's as simple as clicking and dragging that object to move it anywhere on your canvas. This feature is particularly handy if, for instance, your subject was off-center in the original photo, or if you want to create a more dynamic layout for your design. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've mastered how to move an object within an image using Canva's Magic Grab tool. It's one of those features that once you start using, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. If you found this tutorial on PMN Online helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. We're always here to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe to PMN Online so you never miss out on more easy, practical Canva tips. That's it for this tutorial on how to move object and image in Canva. If you found it useful, subscribe to PMN Online and stay tuned for more helpful videos.